I was born in the light, before the incomparable beauty of nature, to be the voice for the voiceless. The four winds and the expanse are at their weakest point, to erupt like a volcano nightmare. Due to countless disappointment from us, Mother Nature is dying softly. She needs everyone to speak and fight on her behalf to breathe life to us again. If we can only stand firm to teach and educate all human race, protecting the planet from a young stage. Seasons change, but humans should never change to harm the earth with her beauties. Green up to cool down, to restore life from the lifeless. Remember, trees are the major earth roots that breathe life into the earth, and from the earth to pollution is plight. So, let's plant a better seed and ascent against deforestation. As we walk a journey of faith, flickering light shouldn't tear us apart to the drowning side, but uniting bold for the sake of environment. Leaders who are less concerned should reflect over Mother Nature to establish active measures, cultivate, weed and protect for the safety of our planet. Otherwise she's burning, sobbing and calling to let us know that if we don't change, climate change will obliterate us all.